Hi, I'm Matt from Doppelmayr. We're a ropeway specialist company, and this week we're changing the haul rope on Halley's Comet lift at Falls Creek. For Halley's, we lower the rope from the top few towers on the lift line, and then using rigging and winches, we remove the old rope while simultaneously installing the new one. After which, we join the rope with an end-to-end connection called a splice. The reason for splicing in this method is to maintain a strong connection and constant diameter so the ropeway can run smoothly. Changing the haul rope on a lift is a pretty involved project that takes many hands and specialised equipment. The life of a haul rope is determined by regular inspection and maintenance performed by maintenance staff and specialists.